Like all good things, they must come to an end. It's been a life-changing 7 weeks and change in the Philippines. I hate to leave, but I've got to. But what's next? So where am I now? I'll give you a hint. Any ideas? Hey, could you tell me what's going on? Is this storm? What's this cyclone?
Yeah, you don't have to go out because it is class free.
Huh?
It's dangerous, yeah.
Dangerous. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Awesome. I'm gonna go see this cyclone then, see what it's all about.
How are you guys?
Good, how's it going?
Very fine.
What's your name?
Osman.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's going on today with the what?
It's a cyclonic weather here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why no one's in the streets.
Yeah. It's a small island in the Indian Ocean. Very nice place to stay here.
So, can you tell me where are we? What island? Yes. What's Mauritius known for? Tropical, so tropical. Cyclone. Well, I'm glad to be here. Thank you.
Mauritius and Reunion in the Indian Ocean are bracing themselves for the arrival of tropical cyclone Botte, and it could be the most destructive storm since 2002 and possibly since the mid-90s.
Well, everyone seems to be going. I guess I should get back too. So we're in Mauritius. So where's this island, Mauritius? Where the heck is it? It's not part of Africa, but if you start in Africa, you can kind of get your bearings. Go to the east a little bit, you've got Madagascar, the big huge rock off the east coast of Africa, and then off of that you've got two little islands, one of which is Mauritius. I'm gonna slap a wiki link below which will give you information on the history, the culture, the things you can do for adventure, all that good stuff. Check it out, let me know. Thank you so much, and until next time, see ya.